In this video, I show you how you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Cardano, or any cryptocurrency that you want using Binance exchange platform. If you're not able to use Binance because of your location, make sure to use VPN so that you can change your IP address to other countries, so you should be able to use Binance. If you're not sure what VPN you need to use, I leave a link in the description below to a couple of VPNs that you can download and start using Binance. So without further ado, let's get started. So click the first link in the description below and you will get to the Binance official website. In order to buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin, or any cryptocurrency, the first thing that you need to do is to register for a cryptocurrency exchange, which in this case, I'm using Binance. Binance is the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange. Currently, they have 15 million users and the transaction fee using Binance is 0.1%. Also, if you use the transactions using their own cryptocurrency, which is BNB, you pay half of that, which is going to be 0.05%, which is great. Now, once you're here, click on register now or register. Now, put in your email and set your password. Accept the terms of service and click on create account. Now you'll receive a confirmation email from Binance. Click the link in the email and you should be all set. Now let's log into your account. Log in. Also recommend activating Google authentication so you can add an extra layer of security to your account. Now enter the Google authentication code. Now, if you made it to this page, that's great. You successfully logged into your Binance account. It is time to buy some Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So in order to buy a cryptocurrency, hover over buy crypto. Now you have two options. You have bank deposit or credit card. For now, I just go with the credit card. And now you can set how much Bitcoin you would like to purchase. Let's say I would like to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, and this is how much Bitcoin I get. You can see by default, the coin is set to BTC, which is Bitcoin. But if you would like to purchase other coins like BNB or Ripple or other coins, you can just select the one that you like and buy it. So let's go with the Bitcoin, $100, buy BTC. Now put in your credit card details next, and you can purchase Bitcoin. So with this method, there is a limit on how much cryptocurrency you can buy. So you can see in this account, I can only buy $370. So if I want to buy $1,000, I cannot do it. So in this case, you need to increase the limit by clicking this button and verifying your account. After you verified your account, you can purchase more, or you can use the other method, which is going to buy crypto and bank deposit. So if you use this method, just buy 1,000. You can see the limit is $10,000 with $0 fee. Click continue and you can purchase through your bank. If you do bank deposit, you can only purchase from your currency. So you can see it goes from crypto to fiat, which is your actual currency. And I think it would take you 24 hours for the money to come through. So after you purchased, in order to see the money, go to wallet, click on fiat and spot. So currently I have $1,048.29 in my account, which is mostly USDT. And if you don't like to purchase through your credit card, if you have a Coinbase account, or if you want someone else to send money to your Binance account, for example, if you want to buy USDT, search for USDT, and which is here, and then go to deposit. And you have a couple of options, ERC20, which takes you 3 minutes, or TRC20, which takes you 1 minute. And this is the one that I actually use. And you get this address. Click here and copy this and send it to someone else who's trying to send you the money, or paste it in your Coinbase account, and you can send your money from your Coinbase to your Binance. And once you got your money, the money should be in your wallet and should be in your fiat and spot section. So when it comes to addresses, make sure to always check the address. So do not use the ERC address instead of TRC, because if you send money to this address instead of the other address, you will never receive that money. After you deposited money into your account, let's do a quick trade. So go to wallet, fiat and spot. Let's say I would like to buy Dogecoin or Ripple. Let's say Ripple XRP. So I would like to buy some Ripple, okay? Select the coin, hover over trade, and now you can trade it for the coin that you have. If you have BTC, you can trade it for BTC. For in this case, I have USDT. So I select this one. Now scroll down. So this is the current price of Ripple. If you want to purchase at this price, set it to market, and now set how much you want. Let's say I would like to buy $500 worth of Ripple, and click buy Ripple, and it will buy Ripple now. But if you don't want to buy at this price, you want to buy cheaper when the market actually drops to a lower price, select limit, and now change this to 0.4650. And now set this to $1,000 or whatever you want, and then place an order. Now, when the price drops to 0.4650, it automatically buys the crypto that you have set. So that order has gone through very quickly. So you can see there's no order here. So let me go back to my wallet and fiat and spot. And here it is. I've got 2,148 ripples. Now, if I like to sell this Ripple, I go back to trade, and I trade it for USDT again. Now scroll down and set this limit to 0.48, and I'm gonna sell whatever I have. I'm gonna sell it all. Place order. And once the price reaches this point, it automatically starts to sell all the coins that I have bought. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like on it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss out on the next video. See you in the next one.